Today, I'll walk you through how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC or Mac. To get started, check the description box below this video and click the link provided. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Animate page, ensuring you're downloading the software from the official trusted source. Once you're on the page, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll then be prompted to choose a plan. Adobe offers several options, and for this tutorial, we'll select the Business Plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial of Adobe Animate. After making your selections, click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and provide some basic personal and payment details. Adobe won't charge you as long as you cancel before the 14-day trial period ends. Once your details are entered, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then be asked to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After your account is set up, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it on your computer, then log in using the email and password you just created. Inside the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, search for Animate, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once it's complete, Adobe Animate will be ready to use. And that's it! You now have Adobe Animate installed and ready to explore during your free trial. Whether you're creating animations, interactive designs, or web content, this is the perfect way to test out Animate's powerful features. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to use the link in the description to get your free trial directly from Adobe. It also helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.